Okay, so we decided to start looking at the 2021 Rogue. My wife really liked the styling of it, and the interior is leaps and bounds above the older one. A lot more tech, a lot of fancy options, and she really liked it. So time to start shopping. We went back to courtesy Nissan, which is who we bought the last Nissan from. We actually bought a brand new 2015 Rogue from those guys. This has been a great car. My wife loves it. It had all the features she wanted. It had the 360 camera, it had the navigation, had the leather interior. It's been a great car. 60,000 miles, not a single issue, just maintenance, and it's just bittersweet. But time to pick up the new 2021 Rogue. Went with white, and this time went with the Platinum Edition, which has every single option. The Platinum has some styling on differences on the outside, but the nicer interior, the nicer digital display, it'll even drive itself, the smart cruise control, it has everything that we need. The incandescent lights we can change, but we find out it has no Home Link. So we do a little research, and apparently Nissan no longer has the Home Link on the 2021 Rogue, and these are the aftermarket solutions. After a little bit of looking, of course, the clicker stuck on the visor is not an option. So a little bit of digging around, I found out that the only thing this mirror has is the dimming feature. It doesn't have the compass, doesn't have the Home Link, and it just has a flat plug with a power and ground going into the back of it. So there's no real options out there. Of course, it's a new vehicle. Nobody seems to know much about it. So a little bit of digging around. I bought this mirror off eBay. This is off the 2015-2016 Rogue, like the one that we just traded in. The plug is different. It has a rectangle plug as opposed to the long flat one. So I found the pigtail again off eBay. This is a different plug. It takes 3 wires as opposed to the one that comes in the Rogue that has 2. I'll explain towards the end of the video. I'll give you the pinout and I'll tell you what you've got to do if this is something you want to do to your 2021 Nissan Rogue. So the flat plug right here has 2 wires. It has the black and the white wire right there. One is a ignition power, the other one is a constant ground. So you can see side by side the connectors here. This is the 2021 connector, just has a ground and a switched ignition, whereas the 2015-2016 has more wires and it has a switched ignition, ground, and a constant power. So remove all the plastics, we access a hot that's a constant hot, and part of doing that I changed the bulbs from the incandescent yellow bulbs to the nice bright crisp LED. It does add more light in the car and it gives it a little bit more of a newer modern look. So now test it. It works as it should. It has the dimming feature, has the compass. Now we can program in there up to 3 remotes, just like the original one. So each one of those needs to be programmed, but that is a pretty easy install, and it's something I can't believe Nissan would not put in the Rogue. Just testing the dimming feature here. It has the sensor on the front. I see it works quite well. So while I'm doing the LEDs, this is the LEDs that I used right here. Decided to change the ones in the back as well. The license plate lights have that really dingy yellow look. Everything on the car is LED except on the outside, these license plate lights right here. You can see what it looks like. I've already changed the one on the right. Pretty easy. Flat blade screwdriver in here to access the clip. Just push that in until you hear a click, and that piece comes right out. Super easy. And then once it's out, you are going to unplug it from the socket right here. You can actually see how yellow it is there. So you're going to take it out, unplug it, and then to separate it, you can use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the lens. And there is your little bulb right there. It's just a push in. Couldn't be easier. It's a 194. So put your new LED there, plug it in to verify it works, and then you can snap it back in position. But it gives it a much crisper look as opposed to that yellow. It's got that nice white look. Kind of looks like a new car now, right? Okay, so for you guys that feel comfortable doing this, this is the pinouts that I found. The flat plug is the one from the 2021. This is the Platinum. I'm pretty sure the other models are going to be the same. The SL, the SV, is probably going to have the same exact mirror. Now, the rectangle plug on the bottom there, you see it has 10 pins. You're only using 3 of those. But if you search on eBay, you can find this mirror for anywhere between 50 and 70 bucks. And I've looked around, many of them come with that pigtail. Mine didn't come with a pigtail. It did take a little bit of finding, but that is the pinouts. Ignition power, which you already have. Ground, you already have. You're basically adding the 12-volt constant. So our mirror is a GNTX 453 series. It has Home Link, compass, and the dimming feature. You could look around. There is some videos out there where people take each mirror. It's not just a Nissan mirror. This is actually a mirror that's used on several different vehicles, but they go in and explain which one will work, which one has which feature, and they can be modified to almost anything. But for you guys looking to do the 2021 Rogue and add the Home Link, there's the information right there. Hopefully you like it. If you do, don't forget, hit the subscribe, hit the like, and we'll see you on future videos. Thanks. Have a great day.